Welcome to Immersive Innovation 2025 XR Unlocked.
So this is the third year that the Innovate UK Immersive Tech Network is collaborating with the area on this enterprise XR focused event. So these kinds of events are really important to us because it's an opportunity for us to do some cross-sector knowledge sharing across different industries that are rolling out immersive solutions at scale in various enterprise sectors.
We've got a whole bunch of different speakers and panels and workshops, really kind of getting into the nitty-gritty and helping companies understand what the technology is, but more importantly, how to successfully deploy it. So there's a whole bunch of companies ranging from Boeing, Jaguar Land Rover, JLR, we've had Jet2 here, but also on some of the partners, we've had HTC, Dassault, Arbor XR, Shapes XR. It's kind of a bit of a who's who of the technology.
We have certainly made a great stride, in technology development and innovation. You just look back a few short years before, with drastically different. What available today was only by imagination only a few years ago.
The XR ecosystem, I think it's a booming industry because people keep coming up and saying, oh, virtual reality, is that something of the past? But no, the whole encompassing XR industry, based around all the different technologies, we're quite a close-knit industry. Everyone kind of knows everyone, but it does really seem to be pushing the boundaries and moving forward well.
I've just had a wonderful discussion about how we can use immersive AI to protect vulnerable people within the community. So it's not just always about industry, it's about how we can really make for a more prosperous world at BSI, which is really our main aim.
It's a really nice event. There's a lot of social interactions you can do. The demos are nice, the people are nice. Yeah, really good.
These events are so important to get people together. Despite a lot of work being done to pull every UK ecosystem together, we're still fragmented, and these are fantastic opportunities for people to meet people, to try what other people are working on and really find potential points for collaboration and grow the industry across the UK.
And the key thing I think today was, how do we calculate return on investment? What are the key practical tips and guidance should we be communicating to our staff and employees on how to develop the right business cases, what benefits we should be tracking, and how to actually quantify those and present those to senior stakeholders.
I really enjoyed the talks there previously as well. Some, really great stuff from JLR. Really interesting kind of the challenges they're facing, and I guess the crossover into that space, as well as some of the challenges from some of the attendees.
It's absolutely amazing, and without events like this, the advancement of the sector would just be way slower than it is.